Hopefully this will clear up any confusion with the quark model. This is a short video, just as a recap. So there are 6 quarks, up, down, top, bottom, charm, strange. The charge on each of those is 2/3 and -1/3 respectively. You can see that in the image there. And hadrons are particles that are made up of quarks. There are 2 types of hadrons. The first type are mesons, which are made up of 1 quark and 1 antiquark. And the second type are baryons, which are made up of 3 quarks or 3 antiquarks. There should be a 3 there. And then the definition of a hadron: hadrons feel a strong nuclear force. Now there are other particles called leptons. They don't feel a strong nuclear force, and they're also not made up of anything more fundamental. So you need to know that. The next thing you need to know is how to give the quark composition of a proton and a neutron, and how to get the charge from the quark composition. So you need to know the proton is made up of an up, and a down quark. And when you fill in the charges, for up it's 2/3, so 2/3 plus 2/3. Down is -1/3, gives you a charge of +1 for the charge on the proton. And the individual charges are on page 49 of the log tables. You need to know a neutron is up, down, down. So if you put in each of their individual charges of those quarks, you'll get a net charge of 0. So neutron is neutral. And also, you might have a look at these. What about up, strange, strange? Well, up is 2/3. Strange and strange are -1/3 and -1/3. So 2/3 -1/3 minus another third has got a charge of 0. And that thing there has 3 quarks in it. Obviously it's a hadron, and it's a baryon because it's got 3 quarks or 3 antiquarks. The next one is a meson, so it's made up of a quark and an antiquark. And to get the charge of that, anti-up has got a charge of -2/3, and down has got a charge of -1/3. So the charge on that should be -1.